Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Command Prompt by typing CMD in the Start menu and then pressing Enter. You will see a prompt showing a working path like C\users. The prompt accepts simple commands typed and executed when you press Enter. Use cd/c\users to change the current folder quickly and use dir to list files and folders in that location. Learn that paths with spaces require quotes like cdc program files to avoid errors. Practice these navigation commands until they feel natural. Use copy file 1, txt file 2, txt to duplicate a file inside the current folder quickly. When you need to relocate a file type, move file, txtd/backup to send it elsewhere. Create folders with mkdir new folder and remove empty folders with rmdir old folder. Delete single files with del file, txt, and use del/q file, txt for quiet deletion when appropriate. For safety, use del/p file, txt to prompt before deleting. Run command prompt as administrator when you need to install or manage system files and services. Use dir listing, txt to save a directory listing to a file and use to append additional output. Pipe output with fine text to filter results for specific strings quickly. Press the up arrow to recall previous commands and edit them before running again. Use // for built-in help and examples for that specific command. Always create backups before running batch deletions or system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.